We're gonna shoot through the clock tower shot. We're at 4 o'clock. We're at 4 o'clock on Wednesday in Boston. All that we know, it is the Boston Harbor Garage when you kick into Google. You can't miss these water spouts. Used to have the music at one time. Now they're gonna quit for a little while till the jets figure up, and then they're gonna blow again. I think they wait for about 5 minutes or so. Take your chances walking across it. Okay, we're down here off of Chatham Street, and we're coming down to the Quincy Market. It's best place in Boston to eat.
You get anything you want.
Yep, yep. Yep. Here we are, center section. Very good. Okay, let's go in. This is what you get in Finelli Hall. Any type of food you can imagine. Yeah, which one's clams? I'm gonna walk down that way. I gotta use the restroom. So when you come and you're looking for the bathrooms, there's a sign. Where's the bathroom? Down around the corner. And come out those stairs. Out of the main entrance, outside, then down around. We got the sign. There we go. Let's get back down. Here we go. Sweet. Alright, so there we go. Coming out, coming down. Down the stairs. This is the outside Finale Hall. Right. Usually when I come in here, I come to the fisherman's net, and I get their clam plate. Next place to get it'll be at the clam box. I'm not sure where we're gonna go down there in Rockport, but definitely gonna go to the clam box in Ipswich. Fish is going to the oyster bar right next to it. She wants a lobster roll. Lobster roll. This comes with French fries. It doesn't come with onion rings, which I prefer, but it's okay. I'm after the clams anyway. There you go, fresh out of the fryer. You go up the stairs in the hall. This is what you're gonna find. It's awesome, huh? Down below. Okay, and she got a lobster roll with clam dessert.
Hold that chair over here so I can lay my cane on it.
What'd you get with biscuit? What'd you get for lobster?
The best thing they have.
Lobster or
it is a lobster roll with lobster bisque.
Lobster. I'm just a clam nut. Good stuff. There you go. If you're down in the middle of Boston, you're gonna find this. Is that unique? Pretty cool, huh? Okay, when you also come to Boston, you gotta come down to good old Mike's Pastries. Can't beat this pastry store.
Why is there nobody in there? I know, what was the one before that though?
I don't know. We'll back down. And we're on Hanover Street. Okay. Prince. Oh, it's Prince in Hanover. Okay. Mike's Pastries. Best pastry place in Boston. Oh, my word. Good shot of your cases. Yeah, Boston Prince. We're going to get our lobster tail. And I think I'm going to get an eclair. It's a cookie and stone. Alright, just keep in mind that everything is cash when you come here. Alright, we're heading out. Heading back down Hanover Street. Okay, so you can take Richmond all the way up to Hanover. And you'll be in the right location. Back up this way. This is where we came from. Big little park here for dogs. Here's the other side of the pier.
This right here is like pavement, except they painted it.
Yeah.
It's a painted pavement.
Harbor tours. Not sure what this thing is. What we got? Not sure what this thing is, but it's got people's names all over it. All the way around. Memory of deceased members of the St. Anthony Society. I got you. Oh, I got you. Back up. Okay. Erected by Friends of Christopher Columbus Committee. Yeah, that's what you are. Okay. Yeah, Richmond Street. Okay, and then go on this side. All the ferries. Apartments are always expensive, huh? Of course, as we came in from the garage, we were facing right dead on this. So it's over there to the left. All right, this is the other side of the Hilton. This is where we need to go. This is down here where the charter boats are, speed boats. Whoop, looks like that one's going back out. I don't know if it's going. I think he's taking it back to Rockport. Yeah. Part of the cruises and go with this wicked ride here.